There's a group of lads over there. Don't know if you can see it over there. They are doing motocross and they've invited me to shoot some contents for them. So I'll be doing some high-speed chase footage. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today another video. I'm here in the park in this field, open field. There's a group of lads over there. Don't know if you can see it over there. They are doing motocross and they've invited me to shoot some contents for them. So I'll be doing some high speed chase footage with motocross. I'll be using different drones. I've already taken some video with the R3S and now I'm going to move with the Avatar 2, and possibly I'm going to take some video with the Antigravity A1 as well. I don't know if you can see them, they're there. They just returned from a short break, I guess. And so yeah, we're going to start soon filming in this location. The weather is quite nice, honestly. It's like 15 degrees, 16 degrees. Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, let's see what we can do today. Here I am again. So we're gonna do now from here, going all the way up through the river with the FPV, give the signal to the guy to go up on the hill. I'll be using the Avatar for this, and let's see how that turns out. Okay, let's sit and see how that goes. Okay, let me see. I'm getting in position. Start the motors. I'm turning around, going on in the river. Three, two, one, go! Yeah, that looked good. Yeah, that was good, but it was a bit too early. We're gonna do it again, okay? Get in position. Turning around. Over the water. Three, two, one, go! Yes! Oh no. That was good, but we need to do it again. Separation. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Yeah, that was good. You wanna see? First try gun. I'm gonna do a couple of more with the Avatar, and then later on I'm gonna take the 360 and we'll see what it's gonna turn out to be. Hopefully it's gonna be a nice video. Let's see. I'm excited. You do it? Yeah, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
And what do you think?
That was good. That was really good. Yeah, doing some trials for the 360. We're gonna use the 360 drone in this. We'll see how that goes, but later on. For now, we're going on the truck for some more FPV drones. So yeah, just done a full truck chase here with the guys. I don't know if you can see them on the back behind me with the FPV. Now we're gonna move forward with the Antigravity A1 for some cool shots, some cool 360 shots, and see how they go. Yeah, let's see.
And when I'm back in Chicago, I feel it. Another version of me, I was in it. I went back to the end of beginning.
So yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's quite loud. That's quite loud. Ooh, hear that? Yeah, just done the 360 video of the jump. Okay, jumping over the obstacle. That was a quite risky. I crashed the drone. I crashed the drone on the first try, but then I would done a few more tries, and then it turns out it's quite nice actually. I really did enjoy that shot. Gutted I haven't taken any behind the scenes shots, but whatever. It still counts. I'm gonna post some video here. Yeah, now I'm gonna do one last avatar shot, and yeah, heading back home to edit the video. Hope you enjoyed. There's quite a lot of them up the hill. Don't know if you can see them. It's like a lot of riders, but that's cool stuff.